Hey everyone, so I did receive this product for my personal review. It is the Jinri 1875 watts powerful hair blow dryer. This will be a giveaway. I'll be giving this right here to one of my subscribers. All you need to do is just check the description box and I'll give you details about how to win this giveaway. Some of the things about this is that it has a powerful motor, negative ions, it has 2 speeds, 3 temperatures, a cool shot button, and it has a 6-foot power cord with hanging loop. So those are some of the things about the product to know. Now I've taken it out of the box. This is a first impressions as well as a demo because I'm going to show you me using it at the end. It's very pretty red color. It's very clean, efficient. It does do a great job at drying your hair. As you guys know, I usually let my hair dry, I'd say about 50% to 75%, and then I blow dry. Right here I'm just showing you the temperature controls. It has hot, warm, and cool, and then you can turn the air on high, low, or off, and then it also has a cool shot button. And it also has this little loop if you want to like hang it up on a command strip or whatever. And it also has a tie where you can tie the cords up, which I absolutely love when companies do that. It comes with a concentrator nozzle, and I actually don't prefer, I used to prefer using concentrator nozzles, but now I don't. But it does come with that option if you like to use it. It also comes with an instruction booklet in case you want to look at details about the product. Now this is my hair wet right here. I say it's about 50% dry at this state, and it's just all wet and dry and crazy looking. Just gonna shake it out a bit, show you what I'm working with before I get ready to blow dry my hair. I've already applied pretty much all of my products, and I also apply my products 4 sections at a time. Okay, I'm gonna play a clip where you guys can actually see what it sounds like and how loud it is. Okay, now I'm just going to show a clip of me detangling my hair. I add leave-in conditioner and then a heat protectant, and then I detangle in 4 sections, and I also blow dry in 4 sections. So right now I'm up to the front section. And like I said, I took the concentrator nozzle off, but I just wanted to show you guys that it's very easy to put on and it's secure. But once I get my hair mostly dry, it dries super quickly once I do go to the blow drying step. It's really powerful and efficient. That's what I like about it, and it dries really quickly. Okay, so now that I've gotten the left side of my hair dry, I'm just showing you guys how it looks compared to the right side, which is still wet. It does a good job of straightening as you blow dry it, if you do it with a comb, you know, for those who don't like to use a flat iron and do additional straightening. So now I've blow dried my entire head. Yes, my ends need trimming. I know this. I do know this. This is the final results right here. I thought it did a great job. Make sure you check the description box for details about the giveaway. And if you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.